Hi guys, so I received the email from the Ministry of Foreign Affairs. I'm going to click, and there are two notes on here which says if you do not respond to this email confirmation email within 1 hour, your application will be cancelled. If your eVisa application is not completed within 48 hours, it will be deleted from the system. In these cases, you will need to create a new application. So I'm going to click approve. This is final stage of our application, which is payment. We have 4 credit card options in here: Visa, MasterCard, American Express, and JCB. And there are 7 other options to pay our application. Before we move on to filling our credit card number or the other information on our credit card, on information note it says, kindly inform the eVisa support desk in case of any suspended or unsuccessful payment. Again, I personally advise you to follow this procedure because again, this is crucially important. After we fill credit card number and CVV and the other CVC or CVC2, and again our expiration date. Also, if your card expired, you cannot select the expiration date and the system will give you a payment failure. So there is another thing I would like to tell you about this ongoing application. After we make payment and receive our eVisa to download, we can download our eVisa as long as our validity period continues. So this is another important information that I wanted to share with you guys. So thanks for watching. This is our final video. I wish you a nice travel to Turkey and pleasant stay.